Manufacturers like you cope with remote access issues daily. With any downtime, productivity takes a hit and your bottom line suffers. Finding a solution can be a headache, but it doesn't need to.
Secomea provides access to any OT equipment seamlessly and securely, giving you the ability to provide instant access to any of your technicians to any factory around the world.
We are compatible with both brownfield and greenfield installations, making implementation possible without upgrading the entire network. This makes the total cost of ownership very attractive for our customers. With the perfect blend of cybersecurity and user-friendliness, you can manage remote access in seconds. And the best part of this is that we take care of implementation at record speed.
After a quick setup, one factory per day, you gain control, you stay secure, ready to defend your factory floor.